Good morning or good evening, respected judges. Today, I am proud and privileged to be given the opportunity to use Innotech as a platform to showcase my program. When the program is first run, the user is given the option to either sign up or log in. As you can see, the username OM already exists and hence it does not allow me to create a user with the same username again. This is just one of the many fail-safes that I have implemented into this program to make the program more user-friendly. Once the user is in, we can see that a menu is displayed and the user can choose from one of these options. Option 1 displays all of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Option number 2 allows the user to get information on one of the 17 SDGs. As you can see, we can get more information about SDG 13 for example, which is climate action. Option 3 allows the user to join an action. These actions are those which contribute towards achieving one or more SDGs. All the user has to do is input the option number and the action and user will be saved into a CSV file. As you can see, different SDGs have different points. SDGs 3, 7, 8, 11, 13 and 16 are worth 20 points, whereas the rest are worth 10. We will see the use of points later on in the program. Option 4 allows the user to suggest an action. The program automatically assigns points based on the SDG the action contributes towards. Option 5 enables the user to mark their actions as complete and get their points. The user and their points are stored in a different CSV file. Option 6 allows us to see our points and what rewards we can get. This is to encourage people to work on action and working towards SDGs. The program also checks if you have enough points to redeem the given reward or not. This program has a lot of scope for future expansion and can be integrated into a website or an app. This program has 14 different user-defined functions and is over 500 lines of code. There are over 45 comments throughout the whole program to help someone looking at the code understand it better. The code has multiple loops to make sure the program doesn't stop if the user inputs an unexpected input. The program is also made to be very user-friendly. There is no error while executing and the program works perfectly. The use of each defined function is written clearly above in a comment. Pause the video to read the comments throughout the video. I have defined many functions to make the code easier to build and understand. I have also used simple variable names and documented the entire program to make it easier to understand. Thank you for taking your time to judge my program.